大家好，欢迎你们到这里。Hello everyone, welcome you back once again. So we are continuing our 900 Chinese sentence sharing, and today we already done 1 to 50. Today we are in 51. Okay, the 51 sentence goes like this. You know the 50 sentence say Nija your Jikoren, Nija your Jikoren, which means how many people are there in your family? Then 51 try to answer the question Oja your son Koren, Oja your son Koren, which means there are 3 people in my family. My family have 3 family members. Then 42 Nija your Shonwuma, Nija your Shonwuma, which means your family have pets. Do you have any pets? Have a pet. Then say 我们家有一只小狗，我们家有一只小狗 which means my family have a little dog, that is we have puppy. Okay, 54 怎么和你联系呢？怎么和你联系吗？ How can I reach you? 怎么和你联系？怎么和你联系？ This one you don't need the ma. You don't need to put ma because sama is already a question particle. So 怎么和你联系 is how would I reach you? That is how will I contact you? Then how can I reach you or how can I contact you? Then 你的电话号码是多少？你的电话号码是多少 which means your phone number is how many? That is, what is your phone number? Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time. 再见。